If you're a notary looking to level up, you need Kimmi's all-inclusive training program. Kimmi Nunnally's notary training program is changing the game for notaries everywhere. With Notary Life with Kimmi on YouTube and Notary Educators, you're not just learning the basics, you're mastering them. Our all-inclusive program covers everything you need: essential notary skills, loan signings, remote online notarizations, apostilles, and even wedding-efficient training. Plus, you'll get business development tips on marketing and pricing to help you thrive. Join our live weekly coaching sessions for interactive question and answer, mock marketing, and document training. And with our on-demand course library, you can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Need support? Our private community is here to help you network and grow. And the best part? It's super affordable. Monthly subscriptions start at just $47. So, what are you waiting for? Visit notaryeducatorsllc.com today and take the first step toward mastering your notary skills with Kimmi's all-inclusive training program. You got this.
Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmi with the Notary Educators training team in effect. What's up, people? So it is saying that we are live on Facebook. I'm going to check and see. Hey, everybody, welcome. We're going to get started in just a second. I just want to make sure it says we're live on Facebook. I just want to confirm. Jeffrey, you want to introduce yourself, you and Alexis?
Yeah, who am I? We'll go ladies first. Alexis.
All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Alexis Franklin. I am part of the Notary Educators, and welcome.
And I am Jeff Nunnally, another member of the Notary Educators. Good to have you all this evening. How are you all doing? Do you have any snow? We're here in Georgia. They got a little issue with the snow out here, and the world's going nuts, but we're doing great, and good to see you all this evening.
Yes, to Jeffrey's point, guys, everybody pray whatever it is you do. California's on fire, Georgia, the whole South is in snow. I'm like, what the beep is going on? But we pray you are safe, and eventually we'll be able to help our California people. And who knows, we might need some help here ourselves. We got warnings today about electricity maybe going out. My neighbor even called me. She was like, hey, do you have a generator over there? I might have, so just a lot going on right now in the world. But for 2 seconds, I was like, you know what? Let's just cancel. Then I was like, nope, everybody know about it. It don't matter because Georgia Power really don't care if we got storms going on. They don't care if you got fires going on. They want their money. So we still need to go ahead and work on our businesses. Those of you who can, great. Those who cannot right now, we're praying for you. And you can go back and catch the replay. And we just pray everyone is safe, okay? So we're going to get a few of these shout outs because everybody's here. We are pumped up. So tonight we're talking about no more excuses in 2025, guys. That's it. That is it. So we're going to have some frank conversation. We have some answers and resolutions to the problems that we see out here in these notary streets. And then we're going to just get right into it. So let's say a few hellos really quick from the chat. I'm just going to go down it really quick. Hey, Lori W. What's up? Lori's in mentorship. Baptiste, Notary, what's up? Turquita, Drea, mentorship, what's going on? Hey, Tracy, beautifully made. I love that. Erlise, what's up? Aretha, Crystal. Hey, Crystal, long time no see. Sharon says it's a little snowy but cold. She's in Michigan. Melissa's in Savannah. They got all the warnings too. Yeah, they're telling us now, guys, because the ice is heavy on the trees. So to be careful about the tree limbs and the power again. Jody, what's up, Jody? We got a lot of mentorship people here. Lori W. says, yeah, praying for California and everyone impacted, grace and favor. Yeah, no snow in Houston. What? Houston didn't get snow, huh? Susanna, what's up? No more excuses. 2025 Notary Educators. Yes. Hey, Suzanne, thank you. So let's get right into it. So some of the, and we have a special guest coming on at 7:30, so hang out. One of our actual mentees who is doing the thing. Actually, our whole group is really doing amazing. I wish I could have had everybody on tonight. So what we'll do is just kind of highlight them throughout the months and throughout the weeks going forward. Notary Educators. We're here on Notary Life with Kimmi. I've been thinking about changing the name of this channel too. I keep talking about it. So if y'all get a chance, put in the chat, what do you think? I'm thinking about just making it cohesive. Notary Educators channel. Notary Educators YouTube channel. So let me know. We got the training program. I'm really thinking about making it more cohesive. So let me know what you guys think about that, okay? So we're going to get right into some of our excuses. The number one excuse we get for not starting your notary business is, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. Well, we're going to give you some tips in a minute after we go through all the excuses. But initially, a good way to get started is going to be my Start Your Notary Business book. I mean, I have 1,000 videos here right here on the channel for you. And that's an excellent place to start. I was going to show you the book for those who are watching. Start Your Notary Business. In whatever state you are located. And it's a very quick read. Very quick. So step by step, we're going to tell you shortly after we go through some of the excuses. Have you ever said, I don't know where to start? Because it's a lot of information out there. What are some other reasons, Jeffrey and Alexis, why people have a hard time starting?
Yeah, we've got not only that, you don't know where to start. Well, they also may say that they lack the confidence in order to start their notary business. And when you don't have confidence, you're going to question yourself. You're not sure which direction to go. So that's another thing that can hold us back from taking that extra step or that next step towards your business. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And also another big one that I hear all the time is, I need to see the documents. And we tell people all the time that it's no way we're going to be able to show you every single document. That's why you have to learn the process, so that when they bring anything in front of you, your clients do, it doesn't matter what it is, you know the processes, so you'll be able to get it done.
Yes. And to Jeffrey's point, the Notarize Like a Pro course was designed to help give you that confidence, so you'll know what to do. That's why you lack confidence. Your state says, hey, here's your commission. You're a notary now. Go out there and do the thing. Well, you're like, what thing and how to do it? So that's why you need some training. You have to. I know the T word is a bad word right now, but someone has to teach you how to actually execute your duties. Either you're going to self-teach or you have to join appropriate people to help you. So we'll talk about that a little bit later too. And to Alexis's point, having to see all the documents. And feel free to drop your excuse in there. Crystal is saying she's scared to mess up. And that again goes along with not having confidence. Once you know what to do, we have a little intimidation a little bit sometimes, but if you really know what you're doing, you've been taught well, you will rise to the occasion. And our people are doing that. We're very proud to say. When it comes to seeing the documents, to Alexis's point, again, there's the estate course that we have. We'll talk about all the training that we offer later. But people want to see every document. It is impossible. Your documents are going to come from all over the world. I always compare it to my new illustration as a doctor. You have a doctor and he knows how to work on the human body. He knows how to work on a human body. He doesn't have to say, well, I need to see a black human body, a Spanish human body, an Asian human body, a white body, a lady body, a male body, a kid body, right? He knows how to work on that body because we all have the same everything, okay? Now, it's the same thing as a notary. If you know how to handle this piece of paper, it don't matter if it's pink, yellow, blue, it don't matter what words are on it, it's just a piece of paper. And that's what we teach you to do, how to properly execute anything. And I even did a piece of toilet paper. The video is here on the channel if you want to go watch it, okay? So that's what we want you to be able to do. So do I show you every single document? No. Have I seen every single document? No. Will you see every single document? Never. Because your documents, especially once you start doing international apostilles and everything like that, you are going to see documents from all over the world. It's just the way it is. Okay. Next, what is our next